This is another exercise on Azure Document Intelligence. The purpose of this exercise is to automatically recognize various forms from images, like this. First, we open Content Understanding AI Azure Document Intelligence Studio. Okay. It can do optical character recognition or read text from image documents. It can do layout, extract tables, checkboxes, text forms and documents, and it can generate documents. It has pre-built models for invoices, receipts, identity documents, health insurance cards, various. There are a number of pre-built documents, business cards, contacts, credit cards, so the credit card can be understood by some. Okay, let's start. Okay, we need to sign in. Okay, we are signed in. Let's go to settings. And we need a resource tab. Okay, this is a resource tab. Okay, create new resource from Azure subscription. Analysis. Okay, this is going to be OCR resource. Okay. Okay, these are particulars of the resource, new resource group, name of the resource, Document Intelligence by AV, region West US, retire. Finish. Okay, the resource is being created, it takes some time. Okay, we've got this resource, Document Intelligence, which belongs to resource group OCR, West US, price tire. Okay, next we select read. This is a simple OCR read functionality. Okay, let's select this read German PDF. Okay, in analyze options we need to check language. Optional, it should detect language of the document among other things. Now we can start run analysis. It will take some time to analyze document. Okay, it has taken about 10 seconds and it looks like it detected text. And here we can see the text detected in a readable format. And this is the result. Can be expanded. Not much, but we can expand it. Okay, what do we have? It succeeded. Page number, angle. So it somehow analyzes the angle of the text. It has content. These are the words. In the upper do we have polygon. Do we have somewhat? Looks like it detected it word by word or what? This is IRS. IRS enter stack. Okay, detected it location of each word. Yes, in, So each word has been detected. This is polygon for the words. Abri. Abigeddon. So basically it has detected a location of each word. Head, candor, confidence, span. So it has detected each word and provided polygon for each one. Okay, I want to test some more document. This is cargo transportation request in Russian. Analyze option, detect language. Nothing to change. Run, analyze. Okay, it has completed analyzing this Russian document. Again, it has detected any words. Basically, these are pixels, polygon highlighting pixels. I have moved it in Notepad to see what it got. So it has content. Basically, it has detected all the content in it. And each word by word is detected throughout the document. And this is angle, I believe in degrees. It shows what kind of angle the text has and so on. Okay, I have loaded a more Word document which is not horizontally placed and has some, I don't know, some alterations, yet something was detected in it. Okay, it has detected document. This is invoice with all the numbers and so on. The angle is 3. Not sure if, I believe it should be more. Is it in 3 degrees? Okay, let's consider these 3 degrees. No other angles. Generally, document is under 3 degrees, it believes. Okay. Okay, and this is English invoice. This is, I believe, something fake. It has angle minus 4.9. Still recognizes it. Okay, what about this one? You know, despite the text being very blurry, has managed to recognize invoice pretty well. Cobblestone Road bed. Okay, these numbers were not very correct, but text was recognized pretty well. Okay, what about this one? This one looks messy, but you know, the numbers look correct. What's the angle? Angle is 8.8. Okay, let's have a real ball. Oh, it tries something. Still some sensible text and the angle of minus 17. Okay, this wrinkled raggle check still recognized. You know, it still got good numbers. Yeah, it can do almost anything. Okay, what about this one? Okay, it got Sudoku. and got numbers and got polygons for these numbers. Okay, Chinese invoice. Okay, we've got Chinese invoice of form, whatever it is, recognized. Each word is in polygon. Okay, that's enough pestering this Document Intelligence Studio. There will be part 2, which does this invoice recognition using SDK.